Hi guys, today is our last day here in Las Vegas. So, mamaya ay babalik na kami ng Canada. So ito, nagbe-breakfast muna kami. So ayan, order ako ng wrap, spicy tuna wrap. Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa Mandalay Bay. Pupunta muna kami ng Shark Reef Aquarium kasi masyado pang maaga. Dito kami ngayon. Pasyal namin yung mga kids. Shark Reef Aquarium. Kaya lang may mga bit-bit kami. Maleta. Ano kung pwede siya. Ito yung prices na ng admission. Yung admission prices. So, $29 para sa adults. Sa kids, $24. Ha? Ay, di tayo nag-picture sa labas, ano? Mamaya na lang. Sige, escalator mo. Elevators. Ayan, pasok na kami sa ano, sa Shark Reef. Oh, may crocodile. Ha? Oh, your camera? Hindi ba yan yung ano, isda na aquarium natin? Ganyan din? Komodo dragon. Ha? Ano meron dyan? Shark? Hito. Parang hito. Malaking hito. Ano kaya to? Laki oh. Pampano. Malaking pampano.
Ano kaya yan? Ilang taon, no? Up to 3.5 feet long.
Oo nga, no?
Hanggang 65 pounds.
Paku? Ano pala to eh?
15 feet long.
Member ng ano, Intro Boys. Si Paku. Ito, ano to? Baggy. Yeah. Stingray. Ay, ayan, laki oh.
14 feet long.
Oo. Laki.
Espada.
Espada. Ano yan?
This is where my one.
Stingray.
Oh yeah!
Baggy. Ayun no, hito. Kaya lang masyadong malaki, kaya ang tawag dyan, kita. Ayun o. Parang malabo yung tubig, hindi?
Sparkling.
Sarap ano yan, sigang.
Diba rin ako kumakain ng laman?
Oo, naman. Ayan siya. Tingnan mo yung ipin, oh.
represents are going to be our red-bellied piranhas.
Wow.
If you guys have any questions, you're more than welcome to step on up and just ask away.
Si Nemo, binata na. Ayun, oh, shark. Yan.
May ilang taon na ganyan.
Baby shark ang tawag dyan.
Bing.
Sharky, kitty, baby shark, That's a baby shark.
Look for the papa shark.
Papa shark, mama shark.
Daddy shark? Ano?
Ito medyo maganda na. Malamig-lamig na. Puno-puno na.
Paloob na.
Shark reef. Ayun. Palakayo na.
Ay, ito yung mga andor.
Ayun no, Titan, tiger fish. Picture-picture mo sila paminsan, kahit sila na lang.
Yeah, we have three different kinds of stingrays in here. So each tip on them with the sand pretty well. They're called yellow spot rays. So here the other four are California brown rays.
Don't touch it, it's dangerous.
For anyone that's new, these guys are a little touch trick at the moment, so we can't have any hands in the water for about 3 more minutes or so. But once those 3 minutes are over, you can touch any surface. Feel free to ask and we'll answer all your questions. The water's about 5 feet, so no need sitting or standing in the water for purposes. We also want to splash in the water or reach out with their own hand. They might know this is their home, this is their kitchen, and their toilet. So you want to do that a little bit afterwards. Remember guys, one finger close, this touch like this, just no eyes, no trails, please. We are very sick of it out there. It's not time, you guys want to touch any single little thing, it's not big.
So ito, starfish siya.
Do they have like
Taba yun, starfish. Yan no, starfish.
Kasi ito iba naman buhay. May ano siya. May parikpek.
What happened, fella? Why you crying again? I know vampire rats. Vampire beat you. Running night, every day, waiting for me.
Daming isda, lalaki. Ang laki ng turtle. Shark, ang laki nito. May shark, alam. Ay. Nakakatuwa.
This glass? Yeah, you can see. You see the seam right there? You can cut it down. Thick it. You can from this angle right there. So look from this angle. This line. So look from this angle. You can see the. You can see them.
So yan, naka-exit na kami. So, ito dumala kami sa mga souvenir items. Yung mga souvenir items sila dito paglabas mo. So, yan. Souvenir shop. Souvenir shop. Free hugs.
What happened, girl?
So, yung Mandalay Beach. Ganda ng beach nila dito. Ganda ng pool. Daming tao. Init lang, ano?
Caramel ribbon set. The big one.
So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Starbucks sa Mandalay Bay Hotel. Habang hinihintay namin yung oras ng aming
Where did you get 5 straws?
check-in. Tagal pa kasi. So,
Because you wanna
pumunta
try
kami
out.
sa Mandalay Bay. Tambay-tambay muna. Magpapalipas ng oras. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa loob ng casino ng Mandalay Bay. Pero hindi kami magbebet. Dadaan lang kami. Siyempre, hindi naman tayo nagsusugal. So try namin magligod na rito. Pwedeng libutan. So ito yung stores sa loob ng hotel. Ayun Samantha, Art. Gusto mo pumasok? Samantha? Do you wanna go inside? Makita ka ng mga arts gano. Ayun Halika, pasok tayo. Ano, pasok tayo. Kahit saan gusto. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Luxor Hotel. May makita ka dito na parang sa Egypt. Tignan natin yun, no? Yun, no? Yun. So ito yung lobby bali ng Luxor Hotel. So para siyang pyramid yung kaya yung hotel. Parang shape ng pyramid. So ito, katatapos lang namin mag-check-in. So punta na kami ngayon sa security, sa gate. Yung mga passports namin. Yan si Mama G. Hawak niya yung mga passports namin. Ayan. I think dyan yung na gate. Ito yung security, ito. So, ayan. Nung naalala ko, 2019 napunta kami. Ang haba ng pila. Grabe, sobrang haba. Buti hindi siya busy ngayon. Ha? Wala pa, 2019 pa lang yun eh. So yan, may security. Guys, bale dito kami nag-order ng food namin for dinner. Ayan. So nakapwesto. So ayan guys, papasok na kami ng aircraft. Ayan.
Bye, Vegas. I love Vegas.
Pag-board na kami. Sophia,
See you again, Vegas.
goodbye ka na sa...
If you come back again.
See you later.
See you again, yes. Yeah, we'll see you probably next year. Wow. Probably.
Probably.
Ikaw na pera.
Ikaw ng mayaman. Can you say about Vegas?
Really nice.
Huh?
What?
Okay.
What's happening? What's that?
Sige, pasok na.
Everyone, and welcome on board. For those of you just joining us, we do have a very full flight tonight. So we just need your assistance, please, doing those carry-on bags. If you have a roller.
Here.
Hi, Bob.
Spoilers to 12930. Alright, so we will just take a minute to introduce your crew, and then we'll do the safety demonstration in English and French, and then we'll be up and on our way for this 2-hour and 41-minute flight. Today we have two of WestJet's very best pilots flying with us. It's our pleasure to be flying with Captain Jesse McLean and First Officer Max Bolger. You also have 4 flight attendants who are amazing in the cabin for your comfort. If you like to look towards the back around, we have Nina. Up here at the front is Jonathan, and my name is Lenny, and I will be the lead flight attendant for the flight tonight. So mine is the voice that you will be hearing. Your safety is very important to us, so we ask for your attention as we review the following safety information. There's a safety features card located at your seat, which indicates the safety features of this aircraft. Please take it out and follow along as we cover some very important information.
Hi guys. Ito, nakabalik na kami ng Edmonton. Ayan, papunta na kami dun sa parking. Ayan, kakalabas lang namin ng ating airport. So pupunta na kami ng parking. Ayan, kung saan nakaparking sa sasakyan namin. So bali, nakapark pala kami dito sa employee parking. Ayan. Kasi yung kaibigan ko, bali nagwo-work siya dito sa airport as flight attendant ng WestJet. Siya rin nagbigay ng ticket sa akin punta ng Las Vegas. So yan. Medyo malamig. Nakakapanibago, sobrang init kasi sa Las Vegas. Dito naman medyo malamig. Yan si Sophia, hinihila niya yung maleta. Diyan pa ba yun? Nakikita ko pa. Mukhang andun pa naman sa sakyan natin. Ha? Malay mo ito to. Last time naman yung iniwan ko dito na nagpunta ako ng Japan, hindi naman siya hindi naman ako tinikitan.